Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for clicking. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. So today I'm gonna bake chicken. With you guys and see how it came out. Literally, I liked it so much. It was so crunchy and tasty. You will try it by yourself, for your families. And please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys. Watch till the end, please.